who's ready for Christmas in July? Woo! You guys, we created a Christmas in July collection for you. Of course, these are going to be available, all year, for until they retire. But we thought we'd help you get a head start on your Christmas crafting. So I designed this next collection. First up, we have Pink Deer. This is all digitally designed by me. So Pink Deer, this is number one. I just love Pink Deer. So pretty, just kind of a lot of Baroque. And then, of course, the little angel up in the corner. So I wanted to have a little paper with a dog.
I like him so much. He makes me so happy.
So we got a pink sparkly tree with a dog with a big pink bright ornament and a big pink over the top bow. So here you go. Again, like I said, a little bit self-indulgent. I just threw it all in here. This one is called Best Christmas Wishes. And of course I have these vintage, very classic vintage elements. These are like clipped from old postcards. Okay, so Pink Angel. And she is definitely very kitschy and retro. She's got the pink poinsettias framing her and a pink tree in the background set against a blue kind of backdrop. And then you have these little vintage stamps in red and green sort of outlining the side. You don't get the full stamp, but you get this little kind of trim border, which I think is kind of fun. And then we have this one, which is called Pink Trimmings. The backdrop on this one is the 12 Days of Christmas sheet music. You have some retro pink ornaments. These kind of remind me of the Ellen J. Goods ornaments that she painted for us one year.
Yes.
And then you have these. I did give you the whole stamps. You have some pink Christmas stamps here, and a very retro pink bow tree. I will tell you, this paper actually makes a really nice background paper. Next up, we have Pink Winter 4-pack. So of course you have the 4-pack, and then I threw in something very kitschy, here too. The pink winter ornaments. This is like definition of kitschy retro, you guys. I just giggled when I was making these. I was like, okay, people are gonna go bananas for this paper. So then we decided you needed some kind of basic but not so basic background papers to go with your Christmas collection. So I gave you Christmas plaid. You could pair it with a classic red, or it definitely works really well. It's almost like a dark pink when you look at it up closely, but it does pair nicely with red. So it sort of goes both ways. Like you can go very classic with even reds and greens, or you can use it very well with the collection that I just showed you. So this one is going to be super, super versatile paper.
And then something that DQ is known for, and that we love that Teresa's always done, is she always gives us backgrounds. Hair.
Yep. All right. Next up, we have green checks as well, which are, the greens in here are color matched to the greens in the collection throughout. So they're all going to work really well.
Any of our backgrounds, though, I don't set them aside for, these are the Christmas backgrounds,
right,
or these are the spring I love our backgrounds anytime.
Me too. I do too. Okay. So pink plaid. Here we go. And then green plaid. Okay, so this one's kind of like a chartreuse color.
So fun.
We do have a bonus paper for you as well, that you can only get if you purchase the complete collection. But the bonus paper is actually a very good example of me not taking myself very seriously at all. Just completely having fun with this collection. This is the bonus paper. So this is Happy Santa, and I mean, what could make you smile more than Santa riding through town with his big giant belly about to flop over on a unicycle, on this perfect plaid background.
He's very unbalanced, you know. We got the big tire and the big belly all on the front end.
And the sash just waving out. I mean, this is like so kitschy, you guys. But again, you can only get this one if you get the other 10. He works super perfect with any of the, maybe not necessarily the pink, but either of these two would be fine with him. And of course, he's actually set against this backdrop, so that one would be perfect.
Alrighty, everybody. We hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Happy shopping.
All right. Bye, everybody.